my Tade only one。
Hello， 大家好，我是大头。在这个视频开始前呢，我就是再一次替我们所有出现在视频里的这些人物们，包括我跟小头啊，向长期以来一直看我们视频的朋友们表达感谢，感谢啊！这个视频的内容呢，9月10号啊，不是弟弟的生日嘛？之前卡卡跟弟弟他们都没有过生日。你像卡卡来咱们国内之后，我跟小头记得他的这个生日，我们就给他过了一次。当时看了弟弟的这个出生日期，当时说有机会给弟弟过一个生日啊。弟弟说他还从来长那么大没过过一次生日啊。这是9月10号呢，我们也是给卡卡打了招呼，就是让卡卡替我们买一个蛋糕。就是送给弟弟，就是因为我们不在嘛，我不知道他愿不愿意过。过的话可以吃个蛋糕啊，一家人对吧？如果不过的话也可以吃个蛋糕啊。结果发现弟弟很开心，也大过了一场啊。我们一起来看一下今天视频的这个主要内容吧。
Hello,大家好，我是Gaga。兄弟们，姐妹们 ，we have the job okay. This is only one. This is almost no job absent. Almost my brother. This is almost Tado. This is for this talking. Gaga, you know, Tade 9010 day. UTT Tade this. Happy birthday. This almost a student. I don't know, but my brother looking to for his almost my TT passport looking. Wow, Kaka, you thought this almost TT, UTT almost a surprise again. Okay, Kaka, just if I look okay, I'm almost all things opening to let's go. Super. Mete ye makalo. Opening for his almost my TT almost birthday. Hello, boss. This product okay. This how much? Koto এটা? 500. Almost 500 টাকা. Okay, brother. This is almost one piece. Okay. This name লেখা যাচ্ছে তারপরে. Almost my TT. এখানে লিখে দিবেন মেহেদি হাসান সবুজ. This is happy birthday. Almost TT name বাংলা name মেহেদি হাসান সবুজ. Yeah, nice. This is go to this Hello, almost I gave you for this almost TT. Brother, for this my video, my Chinese friend looking, no problem. Thank you so much. Boss, how much? 860 টাকা হইছে বলে? ঠিক আছে ভাইয়া, okay, bye bye. I know thing. My brother তাদের সাথে দিকে ডিসমালে by that thing. Almost okay calculation okay, all everything. Thank you so much, my brother. Yes, TT cake, you uncle auntie cake. Hi TT.
Hi uncle auntie gift.
My brother, তাদের সাথে bigger is not looking. All everything, this you give you.
Wow, brother ma'am, very ভীষণ খুশি. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah, all everything processing. Yes.
Okay.
You birthday same.
Yes.
You uncle birthday same. This is almost all everything this processing okay TT home. Okay.
Okay. Yes, my vision is
Yeah.
very excited.
I am same.
Ma'am, okay, very nice.
Yes.
Tade very happy.
Yes.
Yes.
Right.
Baba তোর মধ্যে nice কে হ্যাঁ?
Wait, this 1 mark. This happy birthday.
Oh, congratulations. Hey, Saim Babu. Oh, 1 mark. Happy birthday. Yes, I'm Sobus. You know.
Wow.
Yes.
But Saim guys almost talking for say birthday cake. Hello, boss. My this almost a TT name.
Hi, chicken okay.
You become uncle voice almost a t-shirt cash. Nice. 2000. TT 2000. Hype pitch chicken 2000 টাকা.
That's my money.
Okay, congratulations. Nice, very good. TT almost a chicken, na? Dekhi, looking. Wow, koi mas. Abdul Rahman TT birthday thade. Almost you thade. Everyone is almost khawa hoge, big khawa hoge.
Okay.
This almost processing,
Yes.
big saucepan. Wow, very big, very people khawa, very baby khawa hoge thade. Pogoma. Everyone know thade almost a TT. Happy birthday. TT thade almost 5 piece chicken. Every people khawa hoge. Thade TT 5 piece chicken hoge. All everything khawa hoge Pogoma, okay? Should be Jamie almost looking to my I'm almost opening but it's almost looking. Happy birthday to you this product. TT is almost a name, Bangla name শুনতে যাবে almost মেহেদি হাসান সবুজ. Nice. Very good. Almost Shima father, Shima mother, almost Shima brother, wife, almost everyone is almost come here. It's almost TT father, almost my Jibuje. I know, looking.
This my father.
Yeah.
This my father home.
Oh.
Yes, father go.
Okay. Every guys ready?
Ready.
Almost TT happy birthday, huh?
Yes.
তাহলে সবাই একটু হ্যাপি বার্থডে একটা ইয়া করা হোক হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু ইউ হ্যাপি বার্থডে টু ইউ Baba, go. Hi, Baba. Nice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wow. Nice. Wow. Oi, wow. Nice, nice. Wow. Almost as soon as I'm looking, I'm going to be like nice.
Okay.
My baby, okay, everybody okay. Yes, yes. Everybody come okay, no problem.
不吃不吃。
Very good.
Brother ma'am, very thank you. My father, this new happy birthday. Only one no. This my father only one.
My same. My last year, my brother, Tado Shadu Bigger go to China. Birthday opening, my tennis. Wow. My life only one this Tade. Did you same? Congratulations today.
Thank you. Brother ma'am, father,
Yeah.
this okay.
Yeah.
Very big happy.
Wow, cool man. I am very happy. You happy? My brother Tado Shadu Bigger is happy. Okay? Hi, Baba Mama. Hey, guys, I'm taking Chinaga. Yes. Satu Mamo. Kawa. Yes.
আঙ্কেল আন্টি তোমাদেরকে অনেক অনেক মিস করতেছি তোমরা থাকলে আমরা আরো আনন্দ করতাম ইয়েস
Right. Suraya, okay?
Good.
Good. Nice. Wow. Good. Baby, this is almost April khawaoge. Every size khawaoge, no problem. Every baby, this is khawaoge. খাওয়া দাওয়া হলে চিকেনটা খাওয়া দাওয়া আছে হ্যাঁ Okay, thank you. Almost opening for my mother. I just want to know happy birthday opening. Happy Very good. সুন্দর খাবার
আইটেম করছে জন্মদিনে
Yes. Happy birthday. Ay, তাই না Very busy. তুমি কোথায় আসছিলে তাই না Are you okay, Diana? Sit down, please. বসেন শুনি বাজে আমি অলমোস্ট লুকিং Yes. তাই না Happy birthday for Titi Thade. Happy birthday. হ্যাঁ খাওয়া বিগ খাওয়া Yes. Thade খাওয়া okay. Chicken খাওয়া okay. Big খাওয়া okay. No problem. Thank you so much every guys. Nice, congratulations. Almost almost 5 piece chicken, Pagoma. Almost 5 piece. Wow. Yes, Pagoma, very big, huh?
Very big.
Almost did the car. Did you use the car? Okay. Wow. Oh, Ima. Then almost looking to my looking to my every baby, okay? I'm getting to masala, Pagoma. Again. Spicy, Lazo. Yellow. Okay.
Hello, Kaviar.
Very good. Yes. I know. Shouldn't they almost look into my pencil opening?
Wow.
Welcome, sir. Every guys okay. Titi almost has happy birthday. Almost opening. Almost every khawa. Titi Nero. Every you had family just by looking. Hello. No bye. Almost khawa okay. Good.
Okay, brother.
Good. Shouldn't I say almost zero chicken? We have family just by looking. Almost opening. No problem. Yeah, after almost a baby season, Babu. Okay?
Okay.
Pagoma, you baby no?
Baby, no.
Why?
For it.
Pagoma, this almost a tabo almost looking this almost a book. Vision Kashi. Nice, thank you. Hey, Robi Nai.
Hi, Robi, yes.
Go to home. Okay, Shunia Jai almost supermarket baby. Bokashi. Nice. Very good. But very congratulations. Nice, welcome.
আঙ্কেল আন্টি তোমাদেরকে অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ আমরা এইভাবে সবসময় খুশি হাসি খুশি থাকতে চাই
I'm almost at very big happy. Shuni Jai man. Yes. my brother Tado Shadow Big Ismail. Thank you so much. My Makalam almost other side people almost marriage almost little this almost music. I'm going to almost opening. The happy birthday আমরা সবাই উদযাপন পালন করলাম নাকি? This is almost a big cake opening. Almost okay. This is my fusion cash.
Father ma'am, very thank you. আপনাদের জন্য আমার এই প্রথম জন্মদিন পালন হলো। এই জন্য আপনাদেরকে অনেক থ্যাংক ইউ। আমাদের আজকে জন্মদিন পালন হলো। My know this is third জন্মদিন।
Yes. Did you? I don't know. This is almost a happy birthday.
Yes.
Jন্মদিন. Did you know? But my brother, ma'am, almost things. Okay, Baba. Sleeping. Okay. Bye bye. Yeah. Bye bye. How much people? Baba, koyjon job korichen? 5 people. 5 people. Chayo. Night time. Bangladesh country. Big water. Yes. My this home okay. You know. You this home now.
আর কয়দিন কালি আর ওর মুখ থাকা লাগিচ্ছে না এর মধ্যে
My brother looking my new home. Very fair. So my this almost very miss you, my brother. Tado Shadow Big Ismail. Really. Almost yes, Tado night time big water. Tado almost weather morning time almost no water, but weather is almost black. Almost opening. I almost looking to my is almost opening. Really. Pagoma. Beautiful. And we are really showing them powerful. My brother Tado Shadow Big Ismail. Welcome to my new home, brother man. Very fair. Exactly very fair.
今天大家把围栏间上面的水泥清理干净，修补一下围栏中间的缝隙，后续上色更加细腻好看。
And we almost opening for this almost this product. This product almost go to this my size space. Yes. This very good. Okay. Shouldn't be a almost looking. I'm getting some opening. For this program, almost a boundary finishing job start. Thade. With that hot water opening. Shouldn't be almost looking. Wow. Beautiful. Every year family just for looking. Wow. Boundary job. Thade almost instruction there. Very fair. Oh wow. Pagom Abdulamo. Nice. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Good.
Beautiful তো হচ্ছে এটা কালার এটা
তাই কেন গেছে Okay Bhagava, okay. I same okay. From side finishing job, same almost my new house boundary space almost start just for looking wow, here beautiful. Looking at your family, this is a chill. Bhagava.
মামা
Good.
very good
Very good. Thank you so much. Abdulamo. Good. Yeah, Bhagava almost. Looking, I'm getting almost time is space almost water okay, no problem. Very fair, I should say. Wow. Okay, Pagom Abdulamo. Thank you so much. Very beautiful fair job. Okay, Abdulamo, Pagom. Bye. I'm almost going to my shower almost to the job start. Almost every year family looking, I'm getting almost opening. No problem. Uncle. Wow. Good. Very good. Almost Bangladesh country. Every Thudusa, almost job start. I'm back at my Thudusa almost job start. No problem. Thudusa is almost my shower. Go to this almost. Good. Very good.
আমার স্টার্টিং হচ্ছে
না তাই আঙ্কেল অলমোস্ট ইউ ক্যান রাইট মি গুড দিস আর কি
আচ্ছা
থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ অলমোস্ট ভিডিও ওপেনিং মাই চাইনিজ ফ্রেন্ড লুকিং সেই ক্ষেত্রে কি কোনো প্রবলেম আছে কি ব্রাদার
না কোনো প্রবলেম নেই
থ্যাংক ইউ
রিল্যাক্স
থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ আপনি বাম সাইড দিয়ে নেমে যান হ্যাঁ রাইট ঠিক আছে তাই আঙ্কেল থ্যাংক ইউ ওকে ব্রাদার থ্যাংক ইউ ওকে আল্লাহ হাফেজ almost this view very good. Almost this almost shower come here. OTT party. Oh my god. Almost looking at this almost such almost opening. Okay, uncle, you are my this is almost a video opening. My channel is still looking, no problem. Thank you so much. Almost very fastly, almost go to this doctor look. Okay, thank uncle, no problem. Don't worry. I just almost go to the. Almost uncle, almost आपने गंते गए? Okay, thank uncle, thank you. Bye bye. So job study. Almost at night time to just okay. But had almost two such options in bank almost very good, no problem. 500, 600, 40 taka should be almost I say almost two such job. Really. Just for looking okay. Two job almost okay thate. For this my mother almost my baby Sumay Sura almost sleeping okay should be for this almost opening. Wow, nice. Good. This is for the water. This is almost my voice, almost my pet. No problem. Very good. Very tasty food. Shouldn't man, no problem. Just for this time, guys, almost my life very big. This almost opening talking. Mememchi, shouldn't mememchi. No problem, shouldn't really. Everywhere family, तादों शादी bigger small for this my life. My life, no problem. Bye bye. Take care. See you. 明天见。
你说真的是啊，如果不是4年前我们遇到了卡卡他们，包括我们，就没有这么多的这个经历。今年也过了生日，弟弟这也过了生日，有很多他们以前从来没有经历过的经历。弟弟过生日，我们想的话也是规模也很大了，可以说是。哎呀，我看也是挺开心的啊，也是表达感谢。这也是我们视频记录啊，让大家了解了孟加国那边的一个生活，让他们呢，生活也经历了很多美好的事情，互相的。好了，我们今天这个视频就拍这里了，我们就下个视频见了，拜拜。